Hello, everyone. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create a simple HarmonyOS application using DEVECO. We will use the data collected by the hardware, upload it to Huawei Cloud, then display the data on the front end. Open our software and enter your username and password. On the home page, we can see multiple functional buttons. We will now click and showcase some of the functional buttons. Here, we can see the environmental data. Here, we can see the environmental status. Here, you can control the movement of the vehicle. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.